In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Constant Contact. Whether you're working on crafting the perfect email campaign or simply making touch-ups, the need to undo an action can arise quite often. Understanding how to navigate this simple yet critical tool can save you time and prevent unnecessary frustration. So, let's dive into how you can effectively use the undo function in Constant Contact, especially when you're using the standard email editor on your desktop. When you're in the email editor, there's a toolbar located at the top. This is your main point of control, and you'll find various buttons clustered together here, each serving its distinct purpose. Among these, you'll spot the Undo button. It usually sits alongside its counterparts like Redo, Save, and Preview Test. This Undo button is your go-to for stepping back through recent changes you've made, allowing you to easily correct mistakes. In addition to the visually intuitive buttons, there are also keyboard shortcuts you can use, tailored to the operating system your computer is running. For Windows users, you can quickly undo an action by pressing Ctrl and Z together. If you find you've gone back too far or changed something and want to redo your action, pressing Ctrl and Y will move you forward again. It's a simple, tactile way to manage your edits without having to reach for your mouse. On a Mac, the keystrokes are just a bit different. Here, you would press Command and Z together to undo. If you need to redo something, this is achieved by pressing Command and Shift and Z. Or alternatively, in some instances, Command and Y might serve to redo. These shortcuts become second nature with practice, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Now, an important note to keep in mind while using the editor. It tracks changes only within your current session. This means if you navigate away from the editor or happen to close your draft, perhaps unintentionally, the undo history might reset. This behavior is something to be aware of, as it can vary depending on system settings and browser behavior, leading to a fresh start on your next session. This understanding helps prevent surprise losses of your undo history. Getting familiar with these functions will help you maneuver through creating and editing your emails with greater ease and flexibility. Remembering the keyboard shortcuts and being aware of the session-specific undo memory are small details that significantly enhance your editing process in Constant Contact. So next time you find yourself needing to reverse a change, you'll know exactly what to do. That's it for today's guide on using the undo function in Constant Contact. I hope this helps simplify your editing process and provides you with a foundation to work more efficiently. Thank you for joining me, and happy emailing.